This one is called, I'm going to do this one called I Tried. It says, I've done a lot wrong, but I've learned from it all. Every day is a new day to me, but sometimes I feel like time stalls. I used to ask God why me and would wonder how he thought of me as I meditated on Psalms 23 and went to Jeremiah to see what plans he had for me. Wondering every day if he would leave me because I just couldn't get it right. And to do right in my eyes, it seems to always be a lost fight. But why me? Why do I continue to dwell on the past? Why do I allow this defeat at my feet to last? Obviously, this concept of being a conqueror, I just couldn't grasp, so I figured when it came to me, God looked and said, I'll pass. But then I remembered when he told me he'll never leave me nor forsake me, and that he's always in the midst wherever he takes me. For he told the man with no sin to cast the first stone. Then I remember how, for my sins, his son was descended from the throne. I constantly reminded myself how much God loves me because he gave his only begotten son to set me free, to be enslaved to Christ and free to sin, to give me another chance after I failed just to say that I could win. But then again, I still have a choice, and that choice is my faith. I'm glad God is not a man because he doesn't give to me just to take. But I feel so unworthy as if God won't forgive me for the wrong I've done. Like he's constantly going to look at the life that I've come from. But then he tells me to confess my faults and he will remember them no more. So what am I beating myself up for? It's because I allow the enemy to friend me when he doesn't even like me at all. His main objective is to get me against Christ and to continue to fall. But the righteous may fall 7 times and get back up, while the wicked falls and sometimes stays on the ground stuck. My eyes are on the prize to the day that I die. And I know I can say to my Father when I get to the throne that honestly through life I tried.
All right.